Forex trading on Terra Luna. How cool is that? And look, I'm already down 50 bucks on the $10,000 UST Aussie dollar trade that I opened. This is what we're doing today. My name is Eve, also Finance After 40. Subscribe, support Patreon below so I can keep doing these videos. Let's effing go. We are doing testnet guide Vertex Terra. You're gonna get a faucet of Terra. You need Terra Station wallet. You're gonna do a little forex trading, and while the stock market and Bitcoin and all the crypto market, everything is crashes, there are companies and projects that are building, and if the company or project developers that will bring forex into the crypto, and there are a couple of companies that are doing that, there is a massive. So let's effing go. So we're gonna start by doing this Vertex Terra. All the links below, of course. Go to their website. Okay, step one. Let's see how much we're gonna get. If you are interested in the protocol, you should check the testnet out. Feedback is appreciated. We won't promise reward, although we are discussing rewards for early community right now. This is Terra Station. Terra is built on Cosmos. Cosmos is notable if you watch my channel, all that stuff about good airdrops, good money, valuable money. I wouldn't hesitate to do it. Takes 10 minutes of your time. And let's effing go. Guys, go to Terra Station. You need Terra Station, but you need to change first of all to testnet. How do you do that? Here's your here's your Terra Station. Okay, I assume you already have that. If not, there's a link here to the Chrome. Go here to this button and change from mainnet to testnet. Okay, change from mainnet to testnet, and now you're gonna have Luna 0 and UST 0. That's step one. Just change to testnet. Step two, get some testnet Luna UST from the faucet. If you have problem, ask Discord. I assume once you watch this video with 1,000 other people at the same time, you're gonna have problem. Try in the middle of the night. I've done it super early this morning and it works. If you received your Luna, swipe it for UST in your wallet. So how do you do that? You go to your Terra faucet right here, link below. Say that you're not a robot. Copy your address if you have never done Terra Station before. I love Terra. I don't know if I'm late, but I'm already late because I didn't get in at like $2. Doesn't matter. They're innovating stuff. Change to testnet. Put your address. This is your address. Just copy, put it here. I'm not gonna do it because they already gave me money, faucet money. And then go here. Go to Terra Station. And the guide said change your Luna to UST because you need UST to trade forex. So basically you get 10 Luna, and I did 5. Let's do the other 5. Let's do like 4.8, and I'm gonna pay with Luna. That's cool. I'm gonna pay with Luna, and I'm gonna get UST. Okay, pay with UST. I'm gonna get 374. Okay, click swap. It's gonna ask you for your code. And that's only just before we even started to do anything, but you need the UST after you get your faucet. Put your code. It is not Finance After 40 if you're wondering, and I need to get into Terra. I love Cosmos, that there's like a limit amount of, not limit, there's a certain amount of money that you have and you need to spread it on so many projects. And to get into Luna at like $80, you know, maybe it will be 800 a year from now. I don't know, but I don't know. So many choices. Which coin is your favorite in the Cosmos ecosystem? Comment below. So I paid the Luna fee. I get a transaction hash. As far as I know, also Terra Station don't have a coin. I could be wrong because I'm not in the system, the Luna system. So do some trades, testnet, mainnet. Maybe we'll get a surprise and get an airdrop for Terra Station, Terra swap. Who knows? Who knows? Basically, this is done. We did a swap after we get the faucet, and now we're actually gonna trade some forex. So go to the website, click deposit your UST, Okay, and go trade and pick some Forex trading, and after a while close your position. So let's start with that before we move on. This is the website. I'm down 50 bucks. Okay, go to trade, and you see market. You got three options. It's still new. It's all new, but you only got three options in here, and the leverage is crazy. Let's do the basic one. I have this one, Aussie UST, which is like Aussie dollar. That's cool. Now EUT UST, I assume it's Euro UST, Euro USD. Same thing. This is the chart. So let's go short. I don't know. Doesn't matter. I can do. Let's. You need to deposit first. I forgot about that. Click deposit, because I need to deposit the rest of what I have. Deposit 500, and now my margin went from 38% to 11%, and my leverage went down. Deposit, and then we can do a trade. And now you need to put your code again. It's very secure, which is, it's nice. It's nice. It is what it is. I don't know. I want to tell you. Waiting for a successful transaction. Feel free to tell me a joke. It's so fast. There's no time to tell me a joke. Look at this. Transaction complete. Now we're gonna go trade, and now we're gonna go short on the Euro USD, which is very cool. You cannot put money in the USD. Okay, change to short or long. Do whatever that you want. But you're gonna put in here. You see my maximum order. I can put on the 500 that I deposit plus 200 that I have from the Faucet. I can go all the way to $20,000. So let's do $20,000 at a 42.3% X leverage, 40x leverage. My entry price is 116, and I'm getting liquidated at 111. How am I getting liquidated if I'm going short? I don't know. It is what it is. What happens if I go long? My liquidation is at 107. Yeah, that's what I don't understand. My liquidation is 107, and if I go short, my liquidation is 111. I think it's wrong. Let's go long. Let's go long, because it starts to go up. Doesn't really matter. 40x leverage. Let's do, can I change it from here? Okay, that's a lot of leverage. Estimate total. Look at this. I'm putting 500 bucks, and I'm doing $20,000 long trade Euro USD Forex on crypto, on Terra, on a testnet, on Cosmos. If this is not innovation, and all you focus is Bitcoin and price, and will Bitcoin go back to 40,000, all that nonsense, you're missing the trend. You're missing what's coming. If Forex comes to crypto, it's huge. It's a lot of everyone are saying it's $6 trillion market cap daily. It's like 3 times more the whole crypto market that they're doing in trades every single day. The companies or projects or developers that will capture a slice of that will be huge. So do the testnet, and maybe when they're live, we get some airdrops, and just hodl and stake in LP. Who knows? Place $20,000 order, unsuccessful. Something went wrong. Interesting. So let's get the leverage a little down. 35x. Can I do this? Okay, I can do this. Let's refresh. Maybe something happened. Maybe I got liquidated on the other one. That's an option too. Let's go long. Sure. How much can I do? Max 20,000. I want to do 20,000 trade. Sure. Can I do that? Click. Unexpected error. Okay, interesting. So let's do something else. Let's do this one and just hedge. Close the position. I think I got liquidated. Let me just check. I'm recording and see what's going on. So basically just refresh. I don't know what happened. Let's go again short Euro USD. $20,000, 500 bucks gives me $20,000 leverage. I'm going short, and basically it's crazy, and I'm getting liquidated. I opened the trade at 116 Euro USD, getting liquidated at 111, which is crazy. Click short. Okay, this is cool. If you're into Forex, that's a whole different animal, a whole different beast. To check what's going on. Waiting for a transaction. We're not done. But basically, once this is done, we need to put some money. We got a couple of more steps to do. Transaction complete. Go to your dashboard, and basically, let's see my situation. I'm already up 20 bucks on this one. I'm down 70 bucks on the other one. And now basically it says to close a little trade. Okay, so let's close my first position, not this one. Let's close my short position or long. What did I take? I take long. Close the Euro USD. I can close max. I want to close half. Okay, $5,000 close position. Half. Okay, where do I do that? I need to scroll down a little. Okay. Okay. Anyway, let's move on. You need to go to the LP, right? Step 3. Close your position. I just need to play with my computer screen. Go to pools and let's provide liquidity. And then you need come back a couple of hours later and withdraw a little bit of the liquidity. Enter the amount. Okay, so let's do that. Go to trade and go to pools. And now let's put some money in this pool because we have a trade Euro USD. Okay, my position, you see I got 500 LP in the first one. Let's provide liquidity to this one. Wow, so I can provide $60,000 based on my 500 bucks. How is it even possible? This is huge. This could be a giant liquidity provider stuff. Okay, I need to basically check my computer screen, so because I can't really go down in here for some reason, but that's basically what you need to do. All the links will be below. Patreon support if you like this. Do this test, takes 10 minutes, and hopefully we're gonna get some Forex tokens and we all gonna make it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.